Good day, everyone. Ali's here from Safi Financial Network. Today is July the 3rd, 2022. Month of June has been finished just last week, and the market had a very ugly month. What should I say? The first half of 2022 was one of the historical ugly half or first half in the whole entire history of the market. And this is the monthly chart, by the way. You all see this is 2000 to 2001. This is 2007 to 2009. Look at that. This is the sizable drop, and still we have to go, but more downside to go. But market is not going down in a straight line. Market is not going up in a straight line. This is just an exceptional move. Even with this exceptional move, we have some pullback during the bull market and bear market. However, let's go back to chart and see what chart tells us. This is monthly chart, and as you see here, we just have retracement. The first two sessions of the month, and tomorrow market will be closed due to long weekend in US, and the market will be closed. And this is a monthly demand consolidation area that initiate this rally, so that's why market reacting to this level. However, this lower shadow gives us the signal that market probably will have another upside move. Probably I would say 4,000 area. That would be the maximum target, which is going to be 10-12% from this level, and then another spike down to this level. I would say S&P 500 32 to 3,500, and this is based on the monthly chart. So that's why it is very wide area, because this wide range bar after this consolidation gives us a very nice buying signal here. Or when we are coming down, this is going to be intermediate bottom, at least for now. But I would say probably we will have first half of July upside. That's my inclination, and that would be the maximum to 4,000. But after that, I'm not sure, just because when we have this wide range bar, this type of wide range bar, we will have a 50% retracement. Just look at this. This is a wide range bar, and I just want to put a Fibonacci. I'm just giving you a technique. Here is a wide range bar compared to the other bars that you're just seeing, and if I just put Fibonacci from here to the low here, and if I just zoom in, you will see we are getting close to 50% of this low. And even if I'm just putting up there 38% retracement. So when we have this type of wide range bar, we can say 38% is kind of retracement, and that would be pretty normal during the market. And 38% of this bar is going to be 38.47, which we have just 20 points above this. And 50% is going to be 39,000. I gave you 4,000 just because this is a round number, and that would be a 61.8 Fibonacci. So again, market can retrace all the way back up to here to maximum target. I would say is 4,000 to 4,100 based on this simple analysis. But after that, we are in a clear bear market. There is no doubt about it. And this is the trend line that we are due for pullback to this trend line for a goodbye kiss, and then coming back all the way down to here. And for longer term, I'm just looking for here to finalize the bear market bottom, at least for now. But right now, the first intermediate bottom is going to be here around 3,200 to 3,500 based on monthly candle. And lots of people are saying we are giving a buying signal from stochastic. Yes, this is a stochastic monthly buying signal. But remember, we just had this signal in bear market 2000 8, and when the stochastic reached to this oversold condition, we have 2 months consolidation. But because, again, in a separate video I just show you, because when we are below this SMA 20 on monthly basis, it doesn't mean that we are at buying signal. It means that we are getting into a severe bear market, and this bear market can continue with the capitulation phase, which I'm not seeing that one in the chart. So we need to have more retracement to the upside, and then capitulation phase, which is going to be next phase of the bear market, and that's going to be pretty sharp. I gave that warning to my subscribers in SFN investment channel and how we're gonna play it. But in this video, I'm just telling you any upside to this market, that would be a good selling opportunity, at least for the time being. But later on, we will get to multi-months bottom for the market. Not right now. It's not going to be close, probably next year or middle of 2000 or early 2024, which we have a long way to go. Here is the weekly chart, and weekly chart, we just pointed out this 36.99 2-3 weeks ago. We had nice retracement going back up, and last week we had kind of like a bearish candle, but this bearish candle had like a nice lower shadow, sorry, and this gives me that probably we will have another upside bias to 4,000 area, and that would be it, I think, for the market. And probably after this retracement to this area, we can go back to the downside, and you can just play it very, very simple. If you want to just put a trend line here based on this, just draw a trend line here from this to this area. So you see, we have just the limited upside to here, and even if we close above this, there is another trend line here, which is tying these ceiling together. This is dynamic trend line. So the intersection of this dynamic trend line is very, very strong. That's what I'm saying. And also SMA 100 on a weekly chart is there, and this pivotal point is there as well. So we just broke it down. So this 4,000 area, I would say, that's going to be very, very nice shorting opportunity or selling opportunity based on the monthly and weekly chart. But I want to give you more analysis in daily chart, just because daily chart, lots of people are working on that. And a daily chart, this is very interesting. So in daily chart, I thought that we are stretching up last week, but last week my forecast was absolutely wrong. So there is no doubt about it. For 2 weeks ago, I told you exactly market is bottoming here. We are having a nice rally, probably by end of the June, but it didn't last just 1 week. It just lasted 1 week and so, and then beginning of this week, market just coming down 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just the last day of the trading, which was Friday, market just retracing back up there. So I probably would say this is going to be ABC up, and we are just getting finished the A, B, and then the C is going to be the same, almost the same length of the A. So if we just put, there is another method that I just want to show you, very, very simple method. So the A and C is kind of equal. So if I just put this one here, so you see how accurate it goes to here. So this is the area. To be honest, I didn't put myself by this, but if market has any upside bias, I would say there is an area here, which is my pink rectangular, and that would be around 4,000 area. So 4,000 to 4,050, that would be the maximum bias for market, especially when we are getting to this trend line, and that would be nice shorting opportunity, I would say. So even if you want to draw a trend line from here to here, and then this one is coming back down, there are lots of factors. I don't have any indicator now here. I'm just showing you very, very nice simple stuff that everyone can apply to their chart. So even if you want to play around with indicators don't show anything to us, like we are in a no man's land right now. So however, there is one indicator that I just want to point it out. Here is the RSI. So you know that since January we are in a lower low, so there is no doubt about the lower low, but RSI kind of showing a nice divergence here. And if we are coming back down here to this 34 to 35% in RSI, pretty close to the oversold condition, but we are not breaking below this trend line. And if price is going down to 32 to 3500, that would be, I think, a very nice buying signal from our side, because this is going to be a nice divergence. But don't rely on this, because this regular divergence is happening during bear market and bull market, and everyone just saying, okay, there is a divergence, let's get a reverse position against the trend. I'm not gonna do that, to be honest. I'm just waiting for the pullback to the upside and then short it right now if you want to trade it. I know lots of people are saying, Ali, why did you take the NASDAQ trade here? Just because there was a good signal, and I'm kind of buyer in NASDAQ right now just because it is oversold. But this is S&P 500, and I'm expecting, to be honest, when price is reaching out to this 4,000 area, there is going to be another spike down to 3,400 to 3,500 to complete the multi-months or intermediate, I would say intermediate bottom for the market. So that would be completion of this, and it's coming to this W pattern, which when trigger above this, look at the rally after that. So there are lots of buying orders here still, and there are lots of people that are saying this is going to be nice bottom for the market. 3,400, to be honest, is very important as well, just because this is going to be top of the market prior COVID crash. So in any way, if you want to slice it and dice it, this area would be, I would say, at least intermediate bottom for the market. It's going to be last for probably 2-3 months. So pay attention to this one as well. But right now we are I'm still looking for a bias, upside bias to this level, to 4,000. Then we can just play around with put option down the road. But right now we are just sitting on the side, and we are not taking any action at all. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. This is going to be least support from you folks. I'm coming back with lots of analysis with different individual stocks and probably gold. I've got lots of requests for the gold chart, and to be honest, gold is very interesting right now. I'm coming back with this analysis as well. Have a wonderful weekend. See you on the chart. Bye bye.